We're doing. Yeah, today on the 16th of making this live on the 16th of November 2025. I hope we're having a great weekend, by the way. Yeah, so you can tell me how your weekend went in the comment section. Actually, for me, my weekend is going pretty fine, and yeah, it's pretty fine. I just chill out on during the weekends and just have my alone time. Looking for trying to reminisce and knowing the next line of action to take for the week. So yes, you can share with me how your day is going during the week. And yeah, so welcome back again to another live with me at Before Spire. And this live we are going to be live trading the MEA token or the MEA token against the USDT as we always do. So yeah, uh if you're joining from the various community, if you're going to be joining, or you're going to stumble, maybe you stumble, maybe by when you swipe in and you stumbled on it. Fine and good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me know how your day went. You can share in the comment section. And yes, please don't forget to keep supporting my channel at P4 Spire, where I'll be bringing various Solana gems and then tokens that we're going to be analyzing together on this channel. So yes, if you really enjoying the live so far, please make sure to give a thumb up or like, probably subscribe and leave a very meaningful comment. Yes, so if you're joining from Mecca community, welcome. If you're joining from uh, other communities, welcome. Crypto communities, welcome. Web3 communities, welcome. GM once again. So we just have to quickly uh, pause this live. I won't take much of your time. In a split second, I'll be back. I have to share this link because that's what I usually do. There's a thing I do, sharing the links to people that I love and might want to join the live. And yes, so that's what I'll be doing now. Just in a bit. So if you stumble on this live and you see it post, don't panic. Don't panic because I'll be right back. Just know that the live was paused. So you get. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, I'll be right back, guys. Thank you for waiting. So yeah, guys, welcome back again. Yeah, I'm back. Just had to share the link. So sorry for taking uh your time, guys. I'm back. So currently the market is still pretty stable. As of uh that was 2 days or 3 days ago, we had a pump in the market, especially in the MEA token. So, like I said, the market is currently correcting itself. So, and that's a very good thing. Some, if you check some tokens, you're going to see like some consolidations here. I think the market is kind of trying to like decide onto what the next move is going to be. Currently, Bitcoin is at 96,000 and thereabouts. So people are already being advised to go and buy the dip. As to yeah, so if you know you are very financially capable and you have the money, you can just go buy the dip. People, some are also scared of buying the dip, and the dip now gets more deep. So yeah, even Solana too is down about $150 from $200. There, no, $138 when I checked last. So people are not advised to go and buy the dip. But let's see. What of late the market has been correcting itself, and MEA token pumped up by about some percentage. It was last at 0.078 or thereabouts, but now it's at 0.009. It made a higher high, I think, day before yesterday, about 0.01, a new high. But yeah, and it it got to 0.01. So get your money ready and keep your finger crossed. You can go buy the dip. At the moment, the market is trying to, okay, this is one day ago. Let's see if so now we're currently on the uptrend, guys. So yeah, let's see if the market is going to make a very good structure at this moment. uh Fibonacci. Okay, I'm going to draw a trend line later to see if it breaks through that support. At the moment, I think the market is. So yeah, I told you guys I was going to sell yesterday. I was going to tell you the outcome of the trade yesterday. Actually, outcome of the trade yesterday, I sold the market shortly after I ended the live. That was because at that point I didn't really understand what was going on in the market any longer. I had to do some back testing, and I saw that I just had to close the trade at that point. Sometimes I'm just going to show you the live trading so you guys will see for yourself how things are being run here. So you get me. So it's not that those are the things we see as traders. If you're a trader, you can agree with me. Some days are good, some days are bad. If you're after careful analysis, so you don't lose much money, because the aim is to make more profits than losses. So you better out the market if you know that you will not be able to carry on with the losses. But after some analysis, I just had to sell on the market because at that point I didn't get a clear vision, a clear view of what is going on at that point. So I didn't have the mind to continue with the trade. So what's that we standing here. In this live trading, I'm going to be sharing a lot of insight about Mecca, project Mecca, and about the MEA token. Currently, we are trading the MEA token against the USDT, like I said. So yes, we're going to be eyeballing this trade. I'm going to leave the trade to keep running, so we'll see. And yes, in this trade, in trading, what you need to have is discipline. You have to be disciplined. You have to train your emotions. That's discipline, or I mean emotionally and the likes. So you get me. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back in quickly get some things ready. Yeah. Thank you guys for waiting, guys. So yeah, guys, welcome back. Currently, I just had to go to the Telegram community, so I'll be able to show you guys a little bit inside, because this is for those that are joining this live stream newly and you're kind of lost as to what is actually going on. Like, what is going on? What is going on? You're asking questions. Currently, I'm live trading the MEA token, the powerhouse of Mecca project, Mecca. And currently, we're in the community. I just wanted to show you a little bit of insight into the community and why you should be joining this community. Today, I might also go through the white papers together so we can see the white paper of this project, because one of the things that is very important is looking at the white papers to see that it's not just like a social experiment. You get me? So you have to check out for the references, check out for the purpose of the project, and eka and the solutions the project has to offer to the problems in the Web3 space and the crypto ecosystem as a whole. And that's one thing Mecca has already. Mecca has ticked the box. So yes, the problem has been identified. The providing solutions to solving these problems and making the Web3 space better place for us. And we're still going to earn from providing these solutions. And one thing that you have to notice is that you stand to get rewarded for your participation in the community. One thing you should also know about Mecca is that building a very strong ecosystem, multi-utility ecosystem, all under um, all under Mecca. Sorry, there's something I wanted to say before then, but I already forgot. So, but notwithstanding, when I remember, I'm going to share it. So let's quickly get to the general chat and see what's going on in the in the community. Okay, here is a okay, this was a message as of yesterday. I think someone was singing a poem as to the benefits or whatever he has gotten from Project Mecca. So yeah, okay, yesterday, the sprint, day before yesterday actually, the Zilly sprint on Mecca ended. So for those of you that qualified in the winner list, congratulations for participating and qualifying. I think the reward is going to be distributed soon, according to the admin. So yes, I'm already waiting patiently. So yeah, so you see, this is just the community. I just wanted to show us a snippet of what's going on in the community in the Mecca space. Yes, so it's open for everybody. Be you a Nigerian, a Brazilian, Korean, look at them, Indonesia, whatever part of the country you're from, you can join. You have a space here. So nothing, language is not a barrier. That's one thing you should know. Language is not a barrier. So now I'm going to be posting this live so that I'm going to head up to the Twitter and show you a little bit of insight, because I always make it a duty to always show insight into Mecca. That's for those that are joining newly. To post so that you see, because one of the things that makes a project worthy or trustworthy or stand the test of time mostly is their community. So if the community is bad, is not engaging, is not, that means the project might not see a future, might not have a place in the future, because project would have something like that nature. So community is very strong. It's like the bedrock, the backbone of any community. You can quote me anywhere. Those of us that are already in the space already knows the importance of community. That's why sometimes I'm very big on community growth. I'm very big on community building, and that's what Mecca has already achieved so far. The community is top notch, is sweet, and people are making money from being a part of Mecca's vision. You get rewarded for being a part, just for being a part. Then for participating, you also get to get reward. And then showcasing your skill, like your creator skill, be you an NFT, a gamer, webtoon, whatever you are, you still get rewarded. And one thing you should know, that this reward also happens in the ecosystem. You get to connect with people, like minds. Yeah, you get to connect, and also, yeah, and also you should know that Mecca token is in the Solana blockchain, Solana-based blockchain, and the beauty about project Mecca and Solana blockchain. One thing you should know about Solana, first off, is that Solana is very cost effective and offers very fast transaction. Those of us that have done transactions on Solana can attest to this fact, can testify actually to this fact, because it's transactions like the speed of light. So I just wanted to just share a little bit. These are just little bit nuggets that I'll just share about Project Mecca. We're going to go through their white paper, but just to show you that Project Mecca is not here to play. So yes, this is the Telegram community. I think now we have about 49,000 members. That's 49,000 plus members, and the community keeps growing on a daily. So if you're looking for a way to join the Telegram community, just click on my description. The link on the description, you're going to see it is in the description. You click and it takes you automatically to the Telegram community, and and you get to connect with people. Also looking for the X, let's go move on to your X. Or probably first off, you can check in the description the links to the X. Their X post, their X is in my description, is in the description. Or you can possibly just go to your Telegram X and click on the search bar and just search Mecca, and it's going to come out MECCA, and the project is going to come out there. So, and you get to follow and join communities. There are also communities in the X for you to see. So let's head back to the trade to see what's happening in the trade. I'm going to pause this video for a couple of seconds. I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Actually on the trade. Yeah, I didn't place a trade, so I have to place. But actually, looking at the market, yeah, see, look at this, a downtrend. So in this, it's not advisable to place any buy or sell. I would have possibly sold at this point, but I just realized that it's a spot trading. So Zavila knows what spot trading is. So you trade on the spot, as he just puts it basically. And yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So there's no option for me to sell at this point here, because so I'm going to buy, but it's not advisable to buy here. So I'm just probably going to set a limit order. When it gets to that limit order, it's going to kick start, because looking at this trade, the trade is currently going in a downtrend, and very strong downtrend. I don't know why, what the bearish thinking at this point and where it is happening at this point, because from analysis you cannot buy at this point. So yes, it's dipping. So I'll wait for a very comfy place. When I've gotten a very good support, I'm going to now buy the support and see if we can ride it up. Yes, so at this point, I'm just going to place a limit order and hope that it gets kick start. So let's set this limit order together, guys. So you can open your BingX together. You can look at the trade actually and tell me what you think, if you want me to take a buy. Or actually, at this point, I'm not going to take a buy because it's not ideal. So yes, so let's just quickly place the limit order, guys. Place a limit order. Before placing the limit order, let's look at the market before placing any order. Actually, the market made a downtrend of late. It's trying to break structure. See, from this point we are seeing a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is a very downtrend structure. The market has formed a structure here. So now we're looking for, sorry, what just happened? Market has formed a structure, looking for a strong support somewhere, and here it's not advisable to buy this market at this point because it's going visibly down. It's making a downtrend, so buying at that point. I said we're going to catch some little buys before the market retraces again, that kind of a thing. So that's now more like scalping. So, but at this point, I'm just going to set my limit order. Let me set my limit order. It's still not advisable to set limit order at this point. What do you guys think? Let me know in your comment section. Looking at this trade, because strong resistance and that resistance. So it's going to be resisted somewhere around them, so it's not advisable to buy anywhere. So in order for us not to lose money, I'm not going to be entering this trade, because if I'm going to buy this, I'm going to be making loss. So I'll just wait for a better place, then I take the trade. But I don't know if it's going to be into the life, but let's just see. Let's just see. Maybe if it possibly breaks this structure, yeah. But I think it's forming a strong support at this zone here. You can see supports here, and I hope it does not break it. If it breaks, then it's a down. It's the bearish eye in the market, and it's going to be a strong buy. It's a strong sell. I mean, let's keep our fingers crossed anyway. Okay, you can see some green candles in the market. Are you seeing that with me too? You can signify if you saw that too. Okay. Let's zoom in. And golfing happened in the uptrend. It's not a significant buy. Let's see the reaction of this candle at this point. This is in the 15-minute time frame. If we're going to see what this candle does in the next 15 minutes, then we'll know if we're going to take a buy or not. But this the decision is going to be taken by this green candle, this next candle that just came. So in the next 15 minutes, we're gonna watch and see. While sorry, I should. So while we're waiting for it to do its thing, let's just quickly go to the X, like I said. So let's go to X and see more about Project Mecca. Yeah, I'm going to pause this live for a couple of seconds, and okay, seeing some movement. It has ended. Let's wait for this in the next 15 minutes. 15 minutes, then we know if we're going to take a buy in this trade, or we should probably just not take any trade. So I'm going to pause this live and quickly go to the X. Stay tuned, guys. So welcome, guys. Welcome back, guys. Actually, I'm going to turn off my video. It's already dark here. So let's just quickly head to the Mecca um, post for today. Sorry. So let's go to the search bar and search Mecca, and it's going to come out. Mecca, I see it here. The one with the blue tick. So it's a very verified project. It shows you. And now we're about 26.3k. As of yesterday, we were about 26.1k. That's if I'm not mistaken, though. And here, okay. So the post was made 21 hours ago. So yeah, you can join the communities. You see all these communities, be joining them. Crypto marketing. Join them, you get to learn things from them, a whole lot of things. That's if you are willing to learn about it. And yes, you can join up. You were three enthusiasts, you want to know things. I'm joining every one of them, any of them. I'm always there. Solana memes, I'm there. So that's one thing again, benefits of joining communities. I say I'm very big at joining communities. So here I'm gonna join this DeFi and crypto. Okay, I think I've joined them. So I've joined them. Now money shoot to join too. 7K members are people sharing insights and rubbing minds and what have you. Ready for soul giving, dropping the pump farm. Okay, pump farm, yeah. Sat said second, be ready to take over the holiday. Just wanted to go through it with us. Let's see. So I told you in the next 15 minutes or thereabouts, we'll go back to the trade to see what the market is actually doing. Just buy $1 of this coin. What coin is this? What coin is this? So yeah, let's quickly go back to what we came here for. Actually, this is um if you don't have any insight as to what Mecca is all about, just look at it here. So Mecca is a Solana-based blockchain initiative that unites shopping, gaming, webtoons, and payment into a single ecosystem. So yes, I'm going to also explore the white paper, Mecca's white paper, together with us, like I said earlier. So yeah, I just wanted to just show you this is one of the ways you know communities or projects that are going to stand the test of time. Yes, so let me just go follow investor. I'm going to pause this live stream and head over to the white paper. So yeah, guys, welcome. We are at the project white paper. Let's see what core objective. Mecca project aims to revolutionize digital services through blockchain technology by advancing digitalization in sections such as shopping, gaming. So I just read that in their X. It is designed to provide users with more efficient and initiative experience. Users can actively engage in the so here is now one of their objectives. We're going to also look for the solutions they are offering based on high speed transactional processes, low transitional fees. Okay, can develop. Okay, let's do this. Users can actively engage with Mecca platform and rewards. Like I said, I think I said a couple of these already into the live, and freely utilize tokens across various sectors. Additionally, Mecca plans to develop. Okay, now they are telling us their plans to develop and deliver blockchain based the apps. So if you are confused as to what the apps is, means decentralized applications and integrated web platforms to expand its ecosystem into diverse economic frameworks through strategic partnership. Mecca will enhance the versatility and scalability of its powered platform, progressively increasing its influences to the global market. So this is one of their core objective. So you can just go through the white paper and see things that you want to see for yourself. And I love Mecca constructive or consensus mechanism. Their proof of work is there and their proof of stake is there. So you can just go to the site, kind of stake your stake. I can Let's go through the okay. In the last live video I made, I shared how to stake. So probably in my next live video, I'm going to share how to stake to connect wallet and stake and for a durable time. For if you are confused as to what staking is, just stay tuned. In the next live, I'm going to share what staking is. So yeah, this is just utilization of payment method, shopping platform, payments for goods and services using Mecca Pay, Webtoon, NFT platform. Just go through them. So we're going to see a lot of things. I'm looking for, okay, they explain their tokenomics and here token economic structure. I'm looking for one thing again. Token usage restriction, technical risks, legal compliances, related to make up projects that comply with the laws and regulations of respective countries. These are responsible for ensuring the legality of using and holding MEA token within their jurisdiction and bear the associate. So yeah, I'm looking for something else so that I'll show you guys. So they share their roadmaps. It's just a 37-page PDF as white paper. So if you find the time, you can just go through it and join in the movement. So that'll be all. I think in the next 15 minutes, I think 15 minutes has already elapsed. Let's quickly see the trade. So I'm going to pause this live. So yes, I'm back again. Actually, can see that's pretty going fine. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. So what guys think? Should we hop in the buy here and join the trend and push this market up? I think I suggest that. So I'm going to take a buy here. Since I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to take a buy. Let's place the order. So the order has been filled already, and let's look at what's happening at the moment. Whoa, well, I think mobile has came in and has pushed the market up. So I told you guys not next 50 minutes. Damn, what happened again? Yo guys, you guys saw that thing push up. Well, I'm going to be eyeballing the trade. I'm going to show you the result of the trade. If I continued with it, I'm going to be sharing it in the next live. If I didn't, I'll just show you the outcome of the trade. I'm going to see you in my next live. Let's keep building. Peace out. Stay tuned and stay woke, guys. Stay woke. I'm going to be ending this live. See you guys in my next live and do have a great day. Thank you.